Hi there, this is Raksha from Calilio, and in this video, I'll walk you through how you can change your subscription plan in just a few clicks in Calilio. On the left sidebar, click on Settings to access your account and billing controls. Inside Settings, click on Subscription under the Billing section. This is where you will see your current active plan. To change it, click on this Change Plan button. Here, you will be able to view other available options. You can review the options displayed and click on the plan you want to switch to, whether upgrading or downgrading. Once you select a new plan, click either the upgrade or the downgrade button. If you want the custom plan, click on the Contact Support button, where our support team members are available 24/7 to guide you through the changing process. And that's it. Changing your subscription plan is quick and effortless, giving you full flexibility as your needs grow. Thanks for watching.